Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30535. And this is the Ninjago Fireflight Polybag. Now, if you enjoy this kind of polybag build along, please think about subscribing, because I'm planning on doing one of these a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And also, I have done one a day, every day for the recent past. So, there's currently a bunch of these available, and a bunch more coming if you like them. Now, let's see. Our Ninjago guy has two faces. He's like the serious, brooding type, and the, this is gonna suck type. Alright, so let's see. We'll get him all dressed up. Now, he's not super crazy about flying the weird thing he's about to be flying. So, I kind of feel like not being able to see his mouth, we lose a little bit of his expression. But, what the heck. Alright, so there's that. Now, if you like this set, and you're interested in picking it up, I've included links in the description, or you can find this set on Amazon and on Bricklink, and also the brick set link for this if you just want information about the set itself. Alright, so let's see. Alright, put this thing together. Yeah, I kind of feel like I should watch the Ninjago TV show, I guess. Whatever it is, like whatever media it is, I feel like I should check it out. I don't know. What do y'all think? Have you watched and enjoyed the Ninjago or not? Like, what are your thoughts on it? I haven't been super impressed with a lot of the polybags for Ninjago, but I don't know, it's like I don't have any kind of attachment to it, so, I mean, maybe it's one of those things like I'm harder to impress in that particular respect. Alright, so we gotta make what looks like a couple of legs. So, 1, 2. So we'll make the, I guess these are feet, right? Yeah, they look like feet. Alright. So foot number 1. Make sure that looks all lined up. And foot number 2. The other thing that I've noticed about the Ninjago stuff is it just kind of, I don't know, I feel like they tack on things like these, like the size, when they shouldn't necessarily be part of the build. I feel like they're just like, oh, it's a ninja thing. We need ninja stuff. And maybe it's something I'm missing with the TV show, but I don't know. I kind of feel like that's sort of a, I don't know, like overkill or just unnecessary. Alright, so that gives us our feet for this thing. And then next we make some, I guess, wings? I guess these are wings, right? Alright. So we're gonna make some wings. Facing that way. This is gonna be, oops, wrong piece. It's gonna be like this. And then, like so. this one is facing forward like that. So you're going to make 2 of those. Am I missing a thing? I am. The piece is hiding in here. That's one. Okay. That was the piece I needed, I think. Okay, so we get this, and this, and we need a fang facing forward, like so, and then one of these. And one of these. So these clip in here. Yeah, okay, I'm clipping them in the right way. For a minute there I was thinking I did not. And then put one together backwards. Alright, easy to fix. Maybe easy to fix. Easy to fix. Alright. So this one has to go like this. And that one is facing forward. And then like so. And like so. Now that lines up the right way. That takes care of that. And that's the other side. And then we got to make 2 of these little sword claw arm things. Sword claw arm thing number 1. And a sword claw arm thing number 2. Actually, we gotta make 4 of them. Alright, fair enough. Sword claw arm thing number 3. Yeah, this is one of those things, like, I just feel like these are, I don't know, like unnecessarily gaudy. And maybe that's the Ninjago deal, where it's like supposed to be unnecessarily gaudy. But I don't know. I just feel like there's a bunch of extra junk on these that you don't need. Alright. So these clip in like this and like this. And like this. And like this. Now that takes care of that. Those are our claw wing things. And this takes care of that. And now we gotta do the head, I guess. So for the head, like this, right here, and then maybe this is a tail, like that, and then so it's facing this way, so these are going to go this direction. Like that. And like this. So yeah, I guess that is the head. Or like that's the start of the head. So that's the start of the head, or maybe that's the neck. That's the neck. Alright, so that's the neck. And then we gotta make the head. And the head looks kind of complicated. Okay, I didn't realize you could put horns in here. So I'm going to line up the horns so they're both going in the right direction. I don't know if we're going to have to spin these horns around or not. Probably. Alright, so they got the horns, and then one of these sides coming out the back, like so. And we... Alright, so this is on top. So we clip this, like, we clip it like so. So it folds down like that. And this is on top. Oh no, the horns are facing the wrong way now. Alright, so the horns are now facing the right way. Except for that one. Being a very disobedient horn. Alright, so the horns are facing that way. And then we put this in the front. Like so. We also pop off a horn accidentally. So we pop off a horn accidentally. And that goes there. These attach here. Alright. So those attach there. That gives us that. And so this attaches right there. That. Alright, so that gives us that. And then lastly, we have a tail with some fire in it. Because I guess that's a thing you want. You're riding around on your fire tail, dude. Like that. So we got that. And then lastly, I guess, we get dude on the dragon thing with the sword. I don't know. I'm not super impressed by this one. I can't hold on to him either. Maybe it's all that ninja power he's got. Alright, so we give him a sword, and he goes and rides on his dragon thing. Yeah. I'm not terribly impressed. The only thing that I really liked about this was I like the way these things, I like the way these two claw things here, they kind of have like points where they stop. So they're sort of fixed on either side. Oops. The dragon monster lost its head. There we go. So, I don't know. I haven't been super impressed with Ninjago. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this, oh, I'm sorry, extra pieces. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you all have an excellent day.